over the next week or two, the severe weather threat will start to ramp up for most of the US. So before I get started into this, severe weather season and tornado season usually runs from right around now, which is March, to June, July. That's where we do see the peak of our severe weather threats and our tornado threats. And we are seeing some signals on at least the GFS showing some potential storms to come up over the next week or so. So if I quickly have a look at this. So right now there's nothing that major going on. Maybe a bit of some severe threat over on Thursday and Friday. Also maybe some snow for the northeast. If I move this through to Friday, maybe some showers and thunderstorms just northeast of Florida for places like Florida and just northeast. If we move this through into Saturday, we are going to have some snow showers for the north. If I move this through into Sunday, we are going to start to see a major or a potential major snowstorm develop, and maybe once again some strong thunderstorms on the southern side of that. And if I move this through into Tuesday, Wednesday could be severe weather. So Thursday, I think Thursday next week is going to be the first chance of real severe weather this year. If I move this through into Friday, we can see a continued area of showers and thunderstorms for the Great Plains and for places like northeast and the east portions of the US. We can see another storm system by Sunday of next week. Once again, another one. I think as we go into at least next week, if not the second week of March, we are going to have some more considerable severe weather threats, maybe some tornado threats. So we are going to be live monitoring this. We did go live for Thursday of last week with a 4-hour tornado coverage or severe weather coverage. If that is something that you would be interested in, we will be doing this frequently. Potentially over the next couple of days, also over the next week or two, we could start to see a severe weather threat ramp up. If you guys are interested, we will have some more weather forecasts on this whenever severe weather does start to ramp up. But if you did like this brief update, it would be gladly appreciated if you could subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.